Good morning, everyone. We're going to give you a demo of our offline transcription app called Spaces AI. This is a 100% offline transcription app which runs on your computers. We're also working on a mobile version which will come soon. This is how the UI, the user interface of the application looks like. It greets you, it shows you how many days you have been using it, how many words, and what is the word per minute request. When you start up the application, you also see this pill, which goes around, and it can be, right now we're showing you it's on the app, but it can be anywhere on your computer. This is exactly like if you're working on some other devices, you can click on it. This is always accessible. You can turn it off if you go to settings and you go down and you have a floating pill you can turn on and turn off. I'll show you how this works. The way the transcription works is you can either make a project. If you don't have a project, you make a new project, and by default, the transcription will happen in the project. You can either auto detect, or you can have the languages you want it to work with. By default, since everything runs on your computer, we provide different AI models which user can download. We have access to OpenAI. We have access to all the models from OpenAI. We have access to the one from Alibaba, which are Quen models, also very good for ASR. We have from National Bibliothèque, languages optimized for Norwegian language. Then we have from NVIDIA speech models. And then we also have large language models, which can be used for translation. We have one from Alibaba, you have from Google, you have from Mistral, and then you have one from us. Our company is called Bineric. We also made something for Nordic languages. So the whole concept is that user has free option of downloading the models they need. You also get an idea on the size of the model, and then you can click on it, download the model, and start using it. And we have downloaded OpenAI version 3. We can also switch to base model if we want, if the space capacity is less. We also give you an idea which language should be used. So the whole concept is that you can use transcription and you can use language models inside the app without going to the cloud. Let's assume that you start off the setting with OpenAI Large V3 Turbo, and you start with Google's Gemma 4 model for all kind of LLM tasks. And you go here, and then you're like, instead of auto, I actually want to work with the Scandinavian language. And you click on Norwegian. So we have an internal matching mechanism, and we guide the user on which model could be good enough. Yeah, I'll show you again. And when you click on it, then you can click here. It will take you back. Instead of connecting OpenAI, you can actually select NB AI Lab models directly from the model here, from the interface here. And you go back, and then you start using that one. As soon as you start a recording, hi, what I had to do, it will come up like this. It will also come up over here. And it will show you the information like this. What you can do is that you can take a look, once the transcription is done, you can take a look at all the transcriptions which have come up. You can click it, it will be copied automatically, and you can paste it directly where you're working, or you can go to history and you can take a look at the transcription which came up, which audio, it will show you the audio file. You can copy it, you can export it, and or you can delete it if you don't like. Everything is on your local devices. They're also grouped up into different projects if you need them. We also provide AI-based insights. So based on how you have been performing, it will give you an insights over your speech, your trends over time, different kind of insights based on your speech and your intent detection, and so on. We already covered the AI models part. This is the part which we keep on updating based on this is the part which we keep on updating based on which model becomes available. So this is our responsibility. We also have added a few dictionary items. You can add in a few words. So the system automatically fixes them. You have the settings area, which is pretty standard. I will turn off the floating one. Yeah. You also have an evaluation thing. So if you can select the transcription which we had, and then you can have a reference out transcript from a human ground truth, and you will get like an evaluation of how good evaluation it was. It is also possible to do translation directly in the app by using the models which we downloaded earlier. So again, nothing goes to the cloud. Um, and let's see, we go to the history, we pick up one transcription which we did, and we click on translate, and yeah, you will get the translation over here, which you can use, you can copy and put somewhere else. Now, we don't we don't put anything on our cloud, but if you make an account with us, for those users who do not want to store anything on their computers or who want to work with Teams, we have enabled you can create an account with us, and still you will use the models which run on your computers, but the transcriptions can be synced across your devices. Um, and for those users who actually want models to run on the cloud, we provide that opportunity as well. So we realize that on-prem models were the hardest ones to work with, so we have fixed that part, but adding a cloud model is the most easiest one. And you keep on updating the app so it gets new information. Yeah, I think that was it. Thank you so much for your time.